It's a 2013 Lexus LS460. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, front and rear camera parking sensors, and V8 engine. Car and Driver explains, from the brand's inception, Lexus has captured a profitable portion of one-percenters who shun ostentation and appreciate quality. A mission spearheaded by the LS, judging by its long list of luxury features and the lineup's overall serene character, this latest flagship will maintain the status quo. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.